Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Coinbase account. First, download the Coinbase app on your mobile device or navigate to their official website. Next, you'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Make sure it's unique and complex. After submitting, check your inbox for a verification email from Coinbase and click the link to confirm your address. This initial step is crucial for securing your new account. Once your email is verified, the next step is identity verification. You'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID and take a selfie for security purposes. This process helps Coinbase comply with financial regulations. After verification, link a payment method. You can connect a bank account or a debit card. Linking a bank account often provides higher transaction limits, potentially up to $25,000 per week, compared to debit cards. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication immediately. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. With your account verified and funded, you're ready to explore the wide range of cryptocurrencies available. You can browse different assets and learn about their market performance. When you're ready, simply choose your desired crypto, enter the amount, and complete your first purchase. It's a straightforward process. Now that you're set up, you can explore more advanced features like recurring buys, staking, or even Coinbase Pro for more sophisticated trading. Keep an eye on your portfolio's performance and stay informed about market trends to make smart decisions. Coinbase offers various tools to help you manage your investments effectively. Also, for some great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the link in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.